Let's eat persimmon. Look how soft. It should be soft like this before you can eat it. Kasi otherwise, mapait siya. Okay? Ito nga, hindi pa masyadong ano. Kailangan yung talagang malambot na malambot. Dalawang klase ng persimmon. Isang hard, isang soft. Ito yung soft. You should wait to make it really, really soft. Sabi ko nga, otherwise, mapait siya. Your patience will be tested. But it's worth it. Wow, I'm so impressed. Sweet and juicy.